Select Thin Bones mode to segment bone objects thinner than 3 mm. Scroll through the scanned images and click the bone object you wish to segment. The Thin Bone Segmentation tool requires setting a sensitivity value between 0 and 1, with the default set at 0.5. Lower sensitivity values will segment more bone. Adjust the sensitivity value using the sensitivity slider and click on the desired bone. Continue to click on non-segmented regions to complete segmentation of the object. Thin bone segmentation can also be done by clicking directly on the 3D model.